Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book with line 43, Twinkle with the DC Alfine. So we've actually played the song before, it just looks a little different today. So we are going to learn about the fine, we're going to learn about what DC means, and let's get started. So first of all, at the beginning, we always have our bass clef. Then we have our key signature with two flats. We have our B flat on line 2, tells us all B's are flat. Then we have our E flat on the third space, tells us all E's are flat. Then our time signature tells us we have 4 beats in every measure. That's the top number. And the whole note, if we had one, we get 4 beats. So we'll break that down. We have a whole note with 4 beats. Half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So the half notes get 2 beats each. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1, so all of the quarter notes get 1 beat. Now, at the beginning, we start out with 2 of each note for just a little bit. So we've got 2 B flats in first, then we go up to F, but we stay in first. Out to G in fourth, play 2 of those, then we hold an F for 2 counts. And then we just come down our scale. 2 E flats in third, 2 Ds in fourth, 2 Cs in sixth, and 1 B flat for 2 counts. And that's first position. Then we see we have a final bar line and the word fine. That means the end. We're done. But we're not done because we have another line of music. So we're going to notice, okay, we're going to revisit this. We immediately go to the second line and we start on F, first position, and come down the scale 2 on each note. So we have 2 Fs, 2 E flats in third, 2 Ds in fourth, and a C in sixth. Hold that for 2 counts. Then we do it again. 2 Fs, 2 E flats, 2 Ds, and 1 C. And then I've got another final bar line and DC Alfine. DC is short for da capo, which literally means the head. In other words, we're going to go back to the beginning and play until the fine. So we just go back and play the first line again. So we play line 1, which we could call A, then line 2, which we could call B, back to line 1. So it's an ABA pattern. So I'm going to start a metronome. I want you to try to play along. Start each note with a t sound. Move your slide at the same time as the tongue if you have to move the slide. And that way we won't get any glitches. But here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. And that's it for line 43, Twinkle with a DC Alfine. Even if you have some glitches as you go, if you need to slow it down, that's okay. Just keep working at it, keep playing, and I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.